Wait, yo, what to do? We're about to go fishing at the Detroit River.
Wait, so you can't see?
We're gonna go catch some big catfish. I have a net.
No,
Look,
put that off.
I have a net up here somewhere. You can't see it, but that's the handle right there.
Are you gonna bring it?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it because it's a nice net. And if we're fishing at the river, you know what I'm talking about. We have the fishing rods we're using today. Right on the money. Hey, you want to record? There you go. And what's wrong with that?
It's actually good quality.
Lil B.
Is it 4K?
Yo, 4K.
What?
Yeah, it's a walleye, bro.
Oh! Fish. Wait, those are fucking sheephead, bro.
No, bro.
Don't hit like that. It's hard. That was 9.8 seconds.
Bro. Going for musky fishing.
Musty, I'm trying to catch a catfish, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to catch anything that bites, really.
We are going for musky fishing, catfishing, any type of fishing today.
Pike,
Yep. And you can see,
sheephead.
drinking water.
Fuck off.
And look at the spot we're going at. Right there,
Oh,
buddy.
this is nice, actually. Oh, wow.
Look at the spot. You can see. This is a secret spot no one know about. You get to see cracking, boy.
Oh, yeah, fucking kind of land on, bro. Go slow.
Oh shit, my Senko! My Senko.
Go slow.
Go. Are we calling it? Are we calling it?
Wait, what happened? Senko fell off?
Yeah, that's Senko going off. That's the last Senko, bro.
Go slow. Watch my rod behind me.
Okay, go. Scoop it up. Okay, go. Go. Yes. Nice.